KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
Here's your weather video for this Sunday morning, January the 6th, my first weather video of 2019. Happy New Year to you. Hope you had a great week this week. It's been nice to see some sunshine, some glorious sunshine on Saturday. Let's look at temperatures this morning. Quite cool across the area, but fairly seasonal. 36 at the Birmingham Airport in Bessemer, 37 down in Calera, 36 over in Tuscaloosa, 36 in Aston. So that number pretty common. 32 in Pell City, though, 32 in Gadsden, 32 in Jasper. So you get the picture that it's a chilly start to the morning, but it's going to be a beautiful day across Alabama today. I thought we'd look back at the last 14 days. Precipitation across Alabama, generally 5 to 10 inches of rain. Well above normal, some 4 to 6 inches above normal in most areas. Some of the heaviest rain, though, Fayette County back into Pickens County in West Alabama, well as parts of northern Jefferson County. We've had a nice period of rain here to start off, to end 2018 and to start off 2019. Let's go out to the Bay Area, California. You say, why? Well, Alabama fans know why. Crimson Tide in town to take on Clemson tomorrow night for the national championship. Temperatures in the 40s this morning. They'll be in the upper 50s today with heavy rain and wind. Wind advisories in effect. Not a nice day to be in the Bay Area, but the rain should be diminishing tomorrow. High temperatures in the 60s, around 61. I think we're mainly dry by afternoon, and it looks like mostly dry during the night tomorrow night, which is important for the game. So I think we might get out with, at worst, a passing shower for the national championship game tomorrow night. Nationally, we see winter storm warnings, advisories over the Great Lakes, upper Midwest. We see lots of winter weather and winter storm warnings in the west, especially in the areas of California, up above and to the northeast of the Bay Area. Flood warnings dominate the southeastern United States along rivers, lots of rivers in flood, and it's fog season. You can see fog advisories for dense fog this morning from southwestern Tennessee through eastern Arkansas, Mississippi, into the Texas and Louisiana coastal plains. Here's the 500 millibar pattern this morning, showing a ridge of high pressure now across the middle of the country, edging into Alabama, giving us the fine weather. That's going to change a bit as we head into midweek. The pattern changes with a trough over the eastern United States and a ridge a little bit further displaced to the west. That means cooler weather for us. Now, here's the GFS for Sunday at noon today, showing beautiful weather across Alabama. Will be mostly sunny today. High temperatures are going to top out in the 60s, well above normal for this time of year, some 10 to 12 degrees above normal for early January. 64 to 65 degrees, some lower 60s to the north, upper 60s to the south. Some places may touch 70 tomorrow in parts of south central Alabama. This is the GFS for tomorrow at noon, showing a cold front approaching from the west. A few showers there from Missouri down through Arkansas, eastern Texas. Those should kind of thin out as we go through the evening hours, and it's going to be tough to scare up a shower across central Alabama. This is early Tuesday morning. This will be between midnight and 6 a.m., showing a few light showers showing up across north and central Alabama. We don't expect anything significant or heavy. Rainfall amounts will be very light. High pressure builds back in behind that system. That ridge builds over Alabama. We have a nice cool and dry period coming up for the middle part of the week. This is Wednesday at noon off the GFS, showing high pressure firmly in control of Alabama's weather. Thursday at noon, more of the same. Looks pretty similar to Wednesday. But now look here on Friday, a little fly in the ointment. Disturbance moving through the pattern. Kind of a messy split upper level pattern, shows a system moving through the Texas region. That's going to be heading east. Look at that. A little snow perhaps breaking out at the onset of the system over northern Mississippi, maybe into northwest Alabama. That's going to bear some watching as we go through time. Not a forecast at this point, but certainly a possibility that anything that does happen during Friday morning should change over to rain as we warm up to near 50 degrees during the day. This is 6 p.m. On Friday night off of the GFS, showing showers across north and central Alabama. I think that's a reasonable forecast. Surface low develops over the Gulf of Mexico by late Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. Overrunning rain spreads over the state of Alabama on Saturday, and by Saturday night, we're socked in with rain again in a pattern that looks a little too familiar for early January across Alabama. Now, behind that system, we stay fairly calm and tranquil through that following week, although there will be a disturbance at midweek that could bring a few showers. But we look out in voodoo land here. Saturday night, the 19th, another system dropping down from the northwest has some interesting implications to it. That could be a little light snow, rain mix over northern Mississippi, northern Tennessee, and the GFS hinting that that might be something that we deal with into that early Sunday morning. So we'll be watching that. Snow fans on the GFS, the ensembles, nothing really to get excited about here still. This chance of snow idea is kind of remote and very light at best. One member of the GFS, we note, does put an inch of snow at Birmingham off of that system around the 19th. So we'll be watching that. The ensemble mean, though, between the 10th and 1 inch. So the possibility of snow is on the board. Temperatures over the next 10 days off the GFS. We see our warmest weather, of course, today, tomorrow, and early Tuesday before things change. We'll be back in the upper 40s to near 50 for highs for most of the rest of the week. Lows will be in the 30s to the lower 40s. That's your weather video for this Sunday the 6th. James will be back with 2 days tomorrow, regular week, as we get back into the swing of things. I'll be back with your video next Sunday, and until then, I hope you have a great week. Keep an eye to the sky, because you'll always have something fun to look at.